In this lecture we are going to learn how the Tosca user management is happen in Commander. So in a multi-user environment, the workspace data are stored in a central database that is known as a common repository, and the multiple users should have the access to this repository. Here the Tosca user management comes into the picture to manage the user who are going to work on this workspace, and the administrator has the right to create, delete, and edit any user. Also, access role can be defined for the security purposes, and like this person has an access to this particular portfolios and project folders, and this one, if he's having the higher privilege, then he can access the other folders as well. This is to protect the folder managements and your resources that is already created in workspace. And to update the data like the module, test case, TDM, and etc. First of all, user has to check out the component to restrict any other user to access it. First you have to do checkout, and after finishing that you have to check in the component to sync the update with the repository. This is the way how you do while you are doing in organization. First the checkout, then check in your components. To connect with the central or the common repository, we need to provide access to each and every user who is going to work on this workspace or project. And here is how administrator is doing. So if you see in this home tab, you have a project that is above the scratchbook. If you click on this, there is a tab is open, and in the right side you can see the user management is here. When you click it, you can find out that this admin user was already created. This too I have created, and from here you can also create new admin user if you want, or you can create the normal user and provide the privileges of it. So here the admin user have the privilege level of expert. You can create a new user and you can give the description. You can enable and disable this user if this user is no more working in this workspace or project. Then you can deactivate the user. You can set the level, the expertise level, whether he is the user is a, he or she user is a basic, advanced, or expert one. And you can also set the password from here. Just right click on this and set the password. So from here also you can set and reset the password for the particular user. So this is all we have from the user management in Tosca. This is pretty simple and straightforward. So we'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.